Hey everyone, let's talk about a really hot topic, AI. AI is all the rage right now. Everyone is bringing it up and working on ways to incorporate AI into their processes and content building workflows. While some people may think AI could replace people or creative experts in content building, I see it differently. To me, AI is more like your creative sidekick. It doesn't take over, but is here to help speed things up, jumpstart the creative process, smooth out your workflows, and give you more time to focus on the fun parts of designing. That's exactly what I've found using Visme's AI design tools. This is the first video of my video series that will cover each of Visme's AI tools. Let's start with Visme's AI image tools, which are included right within their content creation platform where you need them. This video overview will cover AI image touch-up tools, image generation, and image replacing. First up in Visme's image touch-up tools, we have the image background remover. Need a clean cutout of your product, logo, or profile pic? Remove backgrounds in one click. Removing backgrounds used to be really involved. Sometimes people would even have to rely on designers to do it and more advanced tools. Visme's background remover is fast and reliable, so you can capture the focal point of an image and eliminate the background in just a click. Next up, erase and replace. Whether you have a photo bomber, an outdated object in your shot, or there's unsightly text or other objects you want to have removed in the picture, you can erase it or swap it with something better. Finally, we have our Unblur and Upscale touch-up tools. If your image is smaller size or resolution, click on the Upscale button to increase the size by 3 to 4 times. You can click on that button as many times as you need to get the image to the size and resolution quality you need. If your image is blurry, do the same thing. Click on the Unblur button until your image is pixel perfect. Now that we've gone through Visme's image touch-up tools, let's talk about our AI image generator. Visme has an incredible stock photo library of millions of photos to choose from. But what if you can't find exactly what you're looking for? Maybe you found an image that is close, but the color is off or the background isn't quite right. Head out to Visme's AI image generator at the bottom of the Photos tab and thoroughly describe your image to have the generator create some options for you. This can be a huge time saver, reducing the need to hunt through stock photos or design an image manually. Last but not least, Visme's replace function will help you swap out an image or icon really quickly. Just select what you want to change, and Visme suggests smart alternatives based on your content. I use this especially to help me with formatting, because the replace function will perfectly place the new object in the place of the old one. No need to drag, drop, or resize your new asset in the design. It loads into the same location with just a click. Visme's AI tools can really help take the stress out of editing. Whether you're touching up an image, generating something from scratch, or swapping visuals with smart suggestions, you can do it all without leaving your project. Want to learn more about Visme's AI tools? Check out Visme's Support Center or stay tuned for more videos on Visme's AI features. Happy creating!